In this video, I will tell you how to remove head lice eggs from hair naturally, fast and permanently using this remedy. The word lice takes me down the memory lane. A good 2 decades ago, my mom would caution me to stay away from kids who had lice. They were dirty according to her. Well, a lice infestation does not mean someone is dirty. If you have kids, they are bound to come back from school with a few lice in your head. But don't worry, in this video, we will tell you how to remove head lice eggs from hair naturally, fast and permanently using this remedy. To make this remedy, first thing you will need is Listerine. Listerine contains eucalyptus and thermal, which are effective in killing the lice. You will need 2 tablespoons of Listerine, The next thing you will need is baking soda. Baking soda helps relieve itchiness on the scalp. When used in combination with the conditioner, it kills head lice by constricting their respiratory system. You will need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, The last thing you will need is vinegar. The acetic acid content of vinegar loosens up the strong bonds between the nit and the hair, making it easy to remove adult lice as well as nits. You will need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, Mix all the ingredients well in a bowl or a container. This remedy is ready. This remedy should be applied twice, once in 7 days. After applying, leave it on the scalp for about 8 hours overnight and wash off with water. This remedy is formulated to block the tubes through which the lice breathe and block the way the lice pass out water, which result in killing them.